You're watching Want to Step, a YouTube channel where we post tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy stocks in Cash App. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Want to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, open your Cash App and click on this little arrow looking icon which points at the top. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the stock center. And remember, in order to buy stocks in Cash App, you need to verify your account. And if you don't know how to verify your account, we have made a video on how to verify your account. Now, once you verify your account and come over here at the top where it says search, click on it and search the stock which you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Chase Bank stock. So I'm gonna write Chase and I see JP Morgan Chase. I'm gonna click on it. Once I click on it, I'm gonna go and buy. And over here, I'm gonna enter the amount. I'm gonna go for $20. I'm gonna click on next and it's gonna ask me to verify my account because I have not yet verified my account. So after I verify my account, the $20 is gonna be used from my Cash App for buying that stock and it's going to be stored on my Cash App account. So if I want to sell it, I can sell and get the money and transfer it into my bank account using Cash App. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy stocks in Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Bye bye everybody, until next time.